And so you'll see in the video, I used it. Now it has me questioning and rethinking my whole natural hair life. Hey Natural Beauties, it's your girl Cherie with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you can hear more about my upcoming videos. Before you make your way out, I want to share something very, very exciting with you. I am officially a spring brand ambassador for Shea Bae USA. I'm officially a Shea Bae. I like that name. Comment down below, pause the video, hold on 1 second. Comment down below, let me know if you've heard of Shea Bae USA. And if you have not, I'm gonna tell you what it is. Also comment down below if you've heard of Shea Bae powder. So Shea Bae USA is a family-owned business. They started back in 2017. They like to use all natural ingredients for the maintenance and care of natural hair, which makes sense. What I really appreciate is that they use natural ingredients that are sourced from different countries on the continent of Africa. Most of us melanated black, wherever you want to identify as, have roots that go back across the waters, back over to the continent of Africa. Things that they use that have worked, that's what we should be using for our hair. That really resonated with me when I looked at this company as one that I wanted to work with. I'm really excited about this ambassadorship program. Be looking forward to sharing with you all the products that I tried from them and definitely showing you the best ways I've heard to use them, how I like to use them for my hair, and also get your feedback if you use these as well, or if this broadens your horizons about using more natural products or even DIY products, because there's definitely a lot of all natural ingredients that they use in their products that you can also use to do your own DIYs. You guys know that I am on my more Ayurvedic hair care journey now, and I have been a proponent of that from the beginning of my hair care journey since I started way back in 2005. I am going to be telling you a little bit about a few of the products that I've already tried from them. They did send me a cute care package. I will drop a picture in here below so you can see what that is. The first thing that I had the chance to try was their Ambunu leaves, and I have a small video coming up on Instagram, if it's not already up now by the time I release this video, just showcasing how to use the leaves and what they are good for. Ambunu leaves are from Chad. That name is specific to the country of Chad. You can find the actual leaf that they call Ambunu leaves all over countries throughout the continent of Africa. These leaves, once you submerge them and let them soak in water, preferably warm water, they produce something called saponin. Hopefully I'm saying that right, which actually acts as a cleanser as well as an antioxidant and antimicrobial that will help to actually cleanse your hair while also conditioning it. So I took some time. I sat actually with my daughter in the kitchen and we watched these Ambunu leaves. Once you place them, I don't know if you can see that they're, you can see through the package here. But once you place them in water, you can usually use about a cup of water depending on how much you need. I actually did it a couple of times, and the last time I think I did about 3 cups of water and 2 tablespoons per cup. So 2 tablespoons of Ambunu leaves per cup. I let it sit and actually boiled the water the last time that I did the mixing process. Added probably in total about 4 to 6 tablespoons of Ambunu leaves. Once the mixture kind of coagulated, I put it into a, I actually strained it with a mesh fabric so that all the leaves wouldn't be in there, because I kind of like did a trial and error with my daughters, and I used it for a wash day. I was very, very skeptical at first because I was like, okay, how is this slimy solution going to get my hair clean? And I did have some flakiness from some products that I had used the previous week. So I was a little bit concerned. My hair was very dry. I mean, I was like, well, at least if it'll condition it, that'll be great. But I really need it cleansed because my scalp was itching. And so you'll see in the video, I used it, worked wonderfully, and now it has me questioning and rethinking my whole natural hair life. Like, do I really need shampoo? Because I just washed my hair with Ambunu leaf solution. It gave me so much definition, it gave me shine. I love that. Also says here on the package that it helps you in getting stronger and thicker hair, and also prevents dry scalp and lessens hair loss. Now, if that ain't what the doctor ordered right now, because I am going through postpartum shedding like none other. Like, it is crazy. Like, I have handfuls of hair coming out every wash day. So this is awesome. If it's going to help me reduce my hair shedding in addition to cleansing my hair and conditioning it, this is wonderful. So I encourage you to check this out. Showing you a few clips here and there throughout this video where I washed it. I mean, my hair was shiny, it was defined, like I said, it felt soft, it didn't feel stripped, but it did feel clean. Like, I didn't see any flake residue. I went through, I parted, you know, make sure, you know, you do the scratch test. I did all of that. My hair and my scalp was clean. I'm feeling like I might not need suds in my life anymore. I don't know. So anyway, that was that. You guys, let me know what you think. Did you try this out? And do you think if it works, could you stop using, could you put the suds down? Could you put the suds down? Because I think I could put the suds down. I'm going to keep using it every week and maybe like insert the once a month clay mask to, you know, detoxify everything. And I'm gonna see how it goes because I really like the idea of this. I like my own natural ingredient products, and I really like the idea of this, and I don't mind making it. It's really not that difficult. It's really a pretty quick process. Once you get past all the goopiness and, you know, the straining and all of that, it's really not that hard, and you can make it in advance. I think you should be able to like refrigerate it and kind of keep it, you know, from perishing. And you can also add things to this, so I'm definitely going to be experimenting with that. And the next product that I tried from them is the Ambunu deep conditioner. One of the things that I forgot to mention is how much slip Ambunu has naturally. So in the video you'll see it's kind of goopy and kind of slimy, like by itself as a substance. Well, this ingredient is actually in the conditioner. It is the first ingredient. It says Ambunu infused water, and then you also have oat milk, benzhidroammonium methyl sulfate, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, ostrich oil. So a few ingredients here that I had not heard of before. There's peppermint leaf extract, nettle extract, melissa leaf. What is melissa leaf? I need to look that up. Jojoba oil, a kapuasu butter, avocado butter, vitamin E oil. It's silicone free, it's sulfate free, and also paraben free. And when I used it as I typically use conditioner. I left it in for probably maybe about 2 hours. Did wrap my hair up, so I had some time to sit and marinate. I think it absorbed into my hair very well. Very creamy, as you can see. It's not a super thick consistency. I smell the mint in here, and it's very light, and what it reminds me of is Andes mints. I don't know if you've ever had Andes mints where you live, or if you've had junior mints, something that reminds you of mint chocolate candy. Even like the M&M mint. It reminds me of mint chocolate candy. It smells pretty decent. So I do not have an issue with the smell. My hair did feel extremely moisturized. I was able to detangle rather easily. I did detangle outside of the shower. Usually I detangle in the shower, but I wanted to give you guys a little glimpse to see how the process was going with this. I think it's good as a balancing deep conditioner that'll give you a little bit of protein and a little bit of moisture to kind of give you just a refreshed, conditioned feeling to your hair. So I highly would recommend checking this out. I do have a code so you can save some coin. If you want 15% off your Shebe USA product, definitely check out their website. You can use my code NATURAL. Have you tried the Ambunu deep conditioner? Have you tried to make the Ambunu yourself? Give me your thoughts on that. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see me review more products from Shebe USA, definitely give me a thumbs up, and that also helps my channel out as well. Puts me somewhere in the algorithm so people can find my videos. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see the next review from what I end up trying soon. Are you interested in me trying stylers from this company? Let me know that as well. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to take a moment to share that. If you have not followed me yet on Instagram, make sure you follow me on there. There is a lot more content on there. I do get into the reels and the TikToks also. I am Natural Beginnings on Instagram and Natural Cherie on TikTok. So make sure you're following me there. Thank you for watching. As always, live out loud on your truth and let your light shine. Bye.